In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a parent account in Zoho CRM. This is really useful when you're working with larger organizations that have multiple branches, subsidiaries, or related companies. Setting up parent and child relationships between accounts helps you keep your data organized, makes reporting more accurate, and gives your team a clear picture of how different accounts are connected. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, make sure you're logged in to your Zoho CRM workspace and that you have permission to view and edit accounts. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the top navigation bar and find the tab labeled Accounts. Go ahead and click on that. This will open the Accounts module, where you can see the list of all the accounts that already exist in your CRM. Next, we're going to choose the account that will act as the child account, meaning the one that will be linked under a parent. From the accounts list, scroll or search for the specific account you want to link. When you see it, click directly on the account name. That will open the detailed view for that record, showing you all of its fields and related information. Now that the account is open, you'll need to enter edit mode so you can make changes. Look toward the top right corner of the account page and click the edit button. This switches the record from a read-only view into a form where you can update the fields. With the record in edit mode, you can now link the parent account. Locate the field labeled Parent Account. Depending on your layout, this might be in the main section of the form or under a specific grouping of fields, so you may need to scroll a little. Once you find the Parent Account field, click the lookup icon next to it. This is usually shown as a small magnifying glass. A pop-up window will appear with a list of existing accounts. Use the search bar or filters if needed, then select the account name you want to set as the parent. After you select it, the parent account field will be populated with that account's name. Finally, to apply your changes, look for the blue Save button, typically at the top or bottom of the page, and click it. Zoho CRM will update the record, and your selected account is now officially linked to its parent. That's all you need to do to create a parent account relationship in Zoho CRM.